So one key insight from my talk that I hope inspires action within our community, I think, is to really think of yourself as the product being sold. Again, we're kind of in a challenging moment here for remote work. While it's exciting that we can kind of work anywhere from anywhere, it's also tough. It's tough to compete at that scale. And so I think if we can really consider the audience that we're speaking to as being the brand, that's probably going to be our best bet. Coming up with new techniques to reach out to potential employers and brands that you want to work with is also just really hard, because you have sort of the AI bots have become the gatekeepers before you can even get to anyone. So again, that sense of community, that sense of having personal connections with people, or trying to create more personal human connections, that's definitely a part of the message that I'd like to get through in what we're discussing in the workshop.